Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remotely change modes on the Xiaomi Standing Fan to Lite. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home App and then make sure that the fan that you have is paired with the app. And after that, we're going to press on our fan in the app to open up the remote controls. So we're going to turn on our fan, and here you have the mode options. So you have direct breeze or sleeping mode. And direct breeze is just like a, I guess you could say, a more powerful version, and sleeping mode is like a lighter, maybe slower and quieter version, something like that. And once you've selected the option that you want, it will be applied automatically and you will hear a beep if you have that option enabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.